It is critical to plan ahead for a successful study using Bio-Plex assays. You have spent precious time and resources to obtain samples, so let's ensure your success. Plan, prepare, and perform. In this video, we will show you how to plan your assay. Look for our other videos in this 3-part series for more Bio-Plex assay quick tips. First, review and understand the protocol before collecting samples. You can download the complete instruction manual at bio-rad.com/Bio-Plex resources. Sample measurements can differ for serum and plasma. Avoid using grossly lipemic or hemolyzed serum samples. Plan your study to ensure you use consumables from a single lot. Examine kit reagents and gather materials not included in the kit. Use low-protein binding aliquot tubes for consistent performance between replicates. Make sure multi-channel pipetters are available and calibrated. Use reverse pipetting technique to enhance accuracy. Always plan the plate layout before starting your experiment. Visit biorad.com/Bio-Plex Success to download the Bio-Plex Success Guide. You can also visit biorad.com/Bio-Plex Post-it to get a free Post-it pad with a 96-well template to help plan your plate layout. After planning your plate layout, calculate the volume of samples, buffers, and beads needed. Visit biorad.com/Bio-Plex Worksheet to download this calculation sheet. Properly preparing for your Bio-Plex assay ensures that all the time and resources expended during sample collection were well worth it.